Hi everyone, welcome back to CrochetRocks. It's Tracy, and I have just had my first COVID shot, and as soon as I sat in front of the camera I realised I was really red, so I've put on a little bit of powder. Hopefully it's toned it down a little bit, because I don't feel hot though, so but I did look flushed, so yeah, thought I'd just be on the safe side. Taken some paracetamol, and I did look a bit red in the forehead. Hope it's not coming through. So, where I had to go and have my jab was in the town of Chatham. And as luck would have it, there was a shop there that we needed to exchange one of the kitchen units. It's a kind of a large enough shopping centre there. And they had a Wilko that's bigger than ours, used to be called Wilkinsons, but it's called Wilko now. And so I'd heard they'd got some different yarns from the old Canaan yarn that they used to have, that was, I always felt, was a knockoff of Karen. Anyway, I thought I could check it out. It would be churlish not to. I know I've had some yarn lately, but I've got my bill here, so I've got the prices in front of me. And the most expensive yarn that I got was £2, I believe. Let's just check this. Yep, the most expensive yarn here was £2. So that's not bad, is it? So first off, it doesn't tell me. I thought the bill would be like a little handy hint to tell me which one was which, but it just says yarn. They all just itemised as yarn. So, as I got 4 of those, that one must be £1. 3 of those, so they must be the 125s. 3 of those. I guess. That doesn't make any sense. I scanned these myself, so it has to be right. But, oh no, maybe not. So they were £2 as well. So I've got that in my head now. Right, okay. So I haven't used this yarn before. I'd had their yarn in pink, and I'd had it in beige. But this blue, and it's not the same make anyway, was really a nice blue. Really pretty blue. And it's ridiculously soft. Really, really soft. So as I'm a sucker for blue, I did pick it up. You got 340 meters in a 100-gram ball, which isn't bad. It isn't bad at all. So let's have a look and see what else it says on the yarn band. Anything. Any hints? So, love me, keep me, or bring me back with a receipt within 28 days. Didn't know that. Machine washable, maximum of 30 degrees. And 100% acrylic. A lightweight double knit yarn, ideal for lightweight blankets, cardigans and jumpers. Well, they don't usually put all that on the yarn band, but it's just got Wilko Let's Create double knitting yarn, which is 3-weight yarn. I loved the blue. I thought it was such a pretty colour, and I did get 3 of those. The pink they had in the 100-gram ball, and the kind of beige creamy colour was exactly the same stuff that I'd used over and over again. And that the one that I said is a bit of a knockoff of Caron. It says Canon or Canon on it instead of Karen. But I got loads of that anyway. But I like the fact that this has got such a nice little sheen to it. Can you see that from a distance? That's really nice. And it's so soft. So I got 3 of those. And they were £1.25. So that's pretty good value for something as soft as this and that is machine washable. So quite impressed with that one. And then the stuff I'd never seen before or never used from there, and it was all kind of new. Now that is one of their new range because it's got the new label on it. But these are the usual little donuts that people are doing everywhere now. So these are 50 grams. So in a way, £1.25 for 100 grams packaged this way. 50 grams is £1 packaged this way. So as you can see, They make a lot more money on this than they do on that. But this is baby soft, although this is soft enough for a baby, absolutely. But this one is really, really, really mega soft. But one of those yarn bands that I have trouble telling you anything that's on them. Pink. Well, I guess that one already. Right round the side where you can't see. Let's have a look. We've got 50 grams, 151 meters, machine washable to 30 degrees, 100% acrylic, anti-pilling. Perfect for knitting blankets, hats, cardigans and booties for your baby. So it says, do not bleach, do not iron, do not dry clean or tumble dry. But you can machine wash it up to 30 degrees. Well, that is extremely soft. It's lovely. That's beautiful, actually. And that again is a 3-weight, a DK yarn. It's not ridiculously thin. It's, I would say when I was younger, DK weight would always be thicker than this. I think it's definitely, there's the, I don't know, it looks a bit thinner than that one to me. It's amazing to me how DK just varies between different yarns. Oh, this is so soft. And I got 1, 2, 3. I thought I got 4. I thought I got 4 of each colour. So there is a chance one's in the car because I did think that I got 4 of every colour. So I got that one, and then I got this lovely silvery grey. And same, you know, details on the yarn band. And this is called Silver. Or 210113. The pink, let's see what it says. Pink 210113, that's the batch number. So they don't have a number, they just have the colour. So this is known as Silver. It is really light, a really beautiful light colour. I like this, it's so soft, unreal. So I got 4 of these, and again they were £1. So in a way 100 grams will set you back £2, which as well for really, really ultra soft baby yarn isn't too sad. Isn't too sad at all. But I would use this for a baby, no problem whatsoever. And that's £1.25, £1.25. So I did get white, the bog standard kind of white, unless they call this anything imaginative, which I doubt. Oh no, it's called white. So I got 4 of those bought, and I did get blue, and it's, oh, there is, maybe I got 3 blue and 3 pink, but I got 4, I thought I got 4 of each, so there might be 2 stray balls in the car somewhere. So this is a much lighter blue than the other one, and it's just called blue. So, but as you can see, it's a different colour. But I like these so much. I thought I would get all of those colours and maybe make something with it. It's just so pretty. It's so soft. Wilko Let's Create Baby Soft Yarn 50 grams in blue. So then I saw the variegated yarn, and they didn't have a great deal in, so I bought up everything they had. And that wasn't a lot. So they got this blue one, and I kind of like the way this changes colour. Now this does have a little bit more of a scratch to it, but it's not, you have it next to your skin. It's just got that, you can feel it when you do this. You feel the strands, each strand, but you'd have it next to your skin. It wouldn't scratch or irritate. It's got a silkiness to it. So let's see what it says. 100% acrylic, luxurious, lightweight, multicoloured yarn with a great stitch definition and elasticity. Doesn't have any elasticity. 0 elasticity. Anyway, I move on. 286 meters, machine washable to 30 degrees. But I like it. It's pretty. I like the colour. Oh, hang on. What imaginative title do they give this? Doesn't say there. It's got a number, but that's 100579. Oh, Blue Mix. blue mix, but that is nice. I really like these colours. They've kind of got a lot of denim-y, stone-washed kind of colours. So I got 2 of those. 2 was all they had, but I like them. So then they had pink, and this is the pinks. Again, nice mix of colours. I really like that. And all the details that I gave you before are the same. But this one is called, seriously, Purple Mix. Really? I don't see any purple in there. That is pink. I guess you could say. But even that, which borderlines being purpley pink, is still pink. Does it look pink to you? It's pink. Anyway, I got 3 because they only had 3 of those. But I really like them. I'm sure about the fact that it's called Purple Mix. Some 286 meters, not bad at all. And I like the way they put this stuff on here. You know, it doesn't have any elasticity at all. They're dreaming. Certainly are. Anyway, so that's those ones. Never had these before. Looking forward to trying them, seeing what they're like. It's a 3 weight, but it's again a bit thin for me as to be a 3. Borderline 4 ply, or what you would call over across the pond sport weight. So these ones Gary got for me. The next ones, and these are their little cakes. They're 100-gram cake. Wilko Let's Create again. So, but they are pinky. They didn't have any other colours other than the ones that I've got here. And they've got a little bit, now see, this would be more purple than that one, but even so, it's still a pink mix to me. So these are 200 meters, 100 grams, 80% acrylic, 20% wool. Colourful creation from a single ball of wool. Centre pull ball stops the yarn bundle from moving or rolling around when knitting or crocheting. Machine washable to 30 degrees. And this is called Pink Mix. It does have a bit of almost purple. Maybe that's why they didn't call this Pink Mix. I don't know. How strange is that? But now I've had some cakes from inexpensive stores before. By the way, these were £2. I didn't say. So yeah, I've had some inexpensive yarn before from places, and it's been really rough. This is lovely and soft, no problem at all with that. And I do have 4, but I'm not sure. Yes, I think it is the same because the light colours on the inside of this one. Yeah, Pink Mix. But yeah, so I've got 4 of them. Whoopsie. Don't know really what I'll make with them yet, but obviously this is the other colourway round, and these are the other 2. So yeah, not bad yarn actually. So let's just recap then, because I think I got a bit confused. I think there's so much of it was £2, that's why. The only things that were £1 were the little yarn donuts, as I like to call them. Yarn donuts. The only donuts that are not fattening. And the other ones, 125 was these. These were 125. All the others were £2 each. So that's right then. These were £2 each, and these were. I'm really impressed actually. Much better than the yarn they used to have. I don't know what this will make up like. It looks nice, but it's just kind of got little flecks here and there. Don't know what I'll make with it yet, but lots of interesting yarn. I like the blues. You know me, I like blues, but I decided to get both to show you. They did have some Aran, which would look really nice with like a little fleck in it now and then, but I really didn't have any use for the Aran. I don't make that kind of pullover, and it was definitely the sort of yarn you'd make a pullover with. So that's not bad. That's Wilko's and the newer range that I've never even bought one single ball of before. So It's all new to me, and I have to say, this is so soft. I actually really want to make something with it now. I do that every time I pick up yarn. I was like, I want to make something with this. Until I find something else, it's like, I want to make something with this. It's calling my name. But they're very pretty colours. And I've got the white, so maybe a blanket coming on. Maybe. Oh, it's so soft. So thank you for watching. Stay safe and take care. And oh, if you wanted to, some people have asked me to say I had the AstraZeneca and I'm still standing. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now, everyone.